In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a slab or a structural floor using InstaCrete. I want to construct the slab at this position. Let me open the level 2. So I want to construct the slab in this portion of the drawing. This area is bound by two grid lines, A and B, horizontal grid lines, and two vertical grid lines, that is 1 and 2. Now to construct the slab, I will open the tool structural floor. The horizontal line, grid line, first grid line is A, second grid line is B, and vertical grid lines 1 and 2. Select the level, obviously level 2. Let the floor type be generic 300 mm. Hit the OK button at this position. You can see the slab or the structural floor has been created. The slab has automatically taken the shape of the columns at the four corners, you can see. So this is the way to construct a slab in InstaCrete. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.